Hello, good morning everyone. Yesterday I gave you homework. Now see the solution and verify your answers. Yesterday I asked you to find out due date. The date of bill was given to you as well as term of the bill was given to you in the form of days. Now how to find out due date when the term of bill is given in the form of days I taught you yesterday. Now see whether your answers are correct or not. The first sum was given where date was 11th March 2019. This was the date of bill and we have to find out due date. The term is given 60 days. To add in this 11 term of the bill 60 days. Similarly, you have to add 3 extra days of grace. इसमें 3 ऐड करो. See how much total you get. 3 plus 1 4, 6 plus 74. From this 74 figure, you deduct the total number of days in the month of March. There are 31 days in March, you know. Put less करो. Less days of March. 31. How much left? 43. From this, you deduct the next month days, that is April. In April month, there are 30 days total. Deduct the days of April. Again, write here less days of April. 30 days in all. How much left? Just 30. दिस इज 13th मे. अप्रैल के बाद कौन सा महीना आता है? मई महीने का 13 तारीख की तुम्हारा ड्यू डेट हो गया. दिस इज हाउ यू फाइंड आउट ड्यू डेट. 13th मे, क्योंकि 13 में से मई महीने में जो टोटल डेज रहता है 31 कैन नॉट बी डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम दिस 13. तो इसका मतलब यू हैव टू स्टॉप हियर. दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर. दिस इज योर लीगल डेट, लीगल ड्यू डेट. सो 13 मे 2019 is your legal due date. So this is sentence लिखो. Therefore, due date is 13th May 2009. Okay? See correctly. Once again I repeat. This is the date of bill. Date of bill means the date on which drawer draws the bill. In that you add the term of the bill 60 days. Barabar? Then again you have to add 3 extra days of grace. Additional days. Total you get 74. From that you deduct the total number of days in the month of March. 31. After deduction you get 43. From that 43 again you deduct the total number of days of April. मार्च के बाद अप्रैल रहता है, अप्रैल का 30 दिन लेस करो. Left 13. From this 13 you cannot deduct the total number of days of May. 31 रहता है total number of days. 31 रहता है, you cannot deduct. So you have to stop here. This is your final answer. When you get this answer, that is your legal due date. So 13th May 2019. Now second sum, see carefully. The date of bill was given 24th July 2019. This was the date of bill given and the days are given 45. So term of the bill, that is period of the bill, is 45 days. So इसमें 45 days plus 3 extra days again. As usual you have to add. Total how much you get? 9 plus 3 12. 72. Is the total of all these 3 figures. From this figure, you deduct the days of July. Days of July are 31. In the month of July, there are total number of days 31. Minus karo, how much left? 1, 4, 41. From this you can deduct the next month days, that is August. August also have 31 days. The days of August. Let's go. How much left? 0, 1, 10. So this is your final answer. Due date is अगस्त के बाद सितंबर रहता है, तो 10 सितंबर 2019 is your final answer. So due date is 10th September 2019. This is your answer of the second sum. See carefully. Now we will solve third one. Practice makes the man perfect. So as far as BK is concerned, you have to practice a lot. More you practice, more you will become expert in this field. So try to solve maximum problems. In the third sum, the date of bill is given 22nd December. (2015). And number of days are given 80 days. So term of the bill is given 80 days. 80 you have to add here. Similarly, you have to add 3 extra days every time. Don't forget 3 plus 2 5, 8 plus 2 10. 105 हो गया total. From this 105, you deduct the total number of days in December. December में कितना दिन होता है total? 31. So days of December you have to deduct. So this is the method of finding out due dates when the term of the bill is given in the form of days. So days of December 31. Let's go. 4. 74 left. From this 74 you deduct the next month कौन सा था? December के बाद January. January में there are how many days? 31 again. So days of January. अभी this is 2005 तो January का 2016 का जाएगा. Remember. Days of January 31. Minus करो 3. 43 left. After January, which month comes? February. This is leap year. 2016 is a leap year. So month of February will have 29 days. So you have to deduct 29 from this 43. So let's again days of February 29. 13 minus 9 is 4 and 1. 14 left. So this is your answer. After February, March comes. So this is 14th March 2016. Remember, here the calendar year ends 15 and from the next January 2016 starts. So don't forget that thing also. Be careful. So this is your legal due date. So due date is March 2016. I hope you understand. अगर नहीं समझा तो call me and ask me. I will clear your doubts. Now we will start with the fourth sum. In the fourth sum, date of bill was given 14th October. (2016) and the term is given 30 days. So term of the bill, that is period of the bill, is 30 days. Add 30 here plus 3 days of grace again. सो टोटल हो गया 4 और 3 7, 3 और 1 4, 47. From this 47, first of all remember you have to deduct total number of days of this month. अक्टूबर में कितना महीना होता है टोटल? 31st. So 31 days you have to deduct. Minus these days of October. So days of October. So left 6, 16. हो गया, आंसर मिल गया ये. So October के बाद there is November. So 16th of November. (2016) is your answer. This is your final due date, legal due date. क्योंकि 16 में से नवंबर के दिन 30, total number of days 30 रहता है, they cannot be deducted. So here you have to stop, and this is your final answer. You have to remember this is the legal due date of this bill when drawee has to make payment of bill. The due date is therefore due date is 16th November. (2016). Okay. Now last one we will take. In the last sum, the date of bill was given 3rd August 2017. And the term is given 90 days. So add term of the bill 90 days. And again additional 3 days of grace you have to add 3 days. Total is 6, 9, 96. From this 96 you have to cut the days of August. The month of August consists total number of days 31. So you must know which month has how many total number of days. You have to remember, you have to by heart. I will tell you the technique of remembering it afterward. The days of August is 31. Minus करो इसको, less 5. 9 minus 3 is 6, 65. So from this 65 number, you have to deduct the number of days of September. After August, there is month September. So September में कितना दिन होते हैं? Days of September. (30 days). Minus. September month have total number of days 30. Minus. तो 5 और 3, 35 still left. From this 35 you can deduct the next month, that is October. October month consists total number of days 31, can be deducted here. So less करो. Less days of October 31. 5 minus 1 is 4 and this is 0, so answer is 4. After October, which month comes? November. So this is 4th November 17. So this is your due date, legal due date. Okay. Therefore, due date is 4th November 2017. Okay. Bye. So you know there are two type of bill. Bill of exchange. Is of two types. एक रहता है आफ्टर डेट बिल और दूसरा है आफ्टर साइड बिल। दोनों में फर्क क्या है? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू? तो इन केस ऑफ आफ्टर डेट बिल वी मेजर द नंबर ऑफ डेज फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ बिल। बाकी सब मेथड वही है। टू फाइंड आउट द ड्यू डेट वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर। हियर मतलब डेट ऑफ बिल। डेट ऑफ बिल मतलब आपको मालूम है दिस इज मिस्टर महेश सपोज एंड दिस इज मिस्टर रोहित। Mahesh draws a bill on Rohit for 10,000 rupees. Rohit agrees to pay after 3 months, suppose. So the day on which Mahesh draws the bill, it is called date of bill. Suppose इस तारीख को 3rd अगस्त 2017 को महेश ने बिल ड्रॉ किया। 3rd अगस्त 2017 on this date Mahesh draws a bill. So this date is known as date of bill. Then he sent this bill to Rohit for acceptance purpose. रोहित को ये बिल भेज देता है उधर एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए, मतलब साइन करके देने के लिए कि इस बिल को एक्सेप्ट करना। तो रोहित ने इस बिल को एक्सेप्ट किया सपोज 5 तारीख को। तो उस तारीख को वी कॉल डेट ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस। डेट ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस 5th August 2007. So in this example, Mahesh is the drawer, Rohit is the drawee. This is the amount of bill, this is the term of bill. Term of bill can be in the form of month, it can be in the form of days. The day on which Mahesh draws the bill is called date of bill. 3rd August 2017 is date of bill. And then the day on which drawee accepts this bill, that is called date of acceptance. There is suppose 5th August 2017 को रोहित ने बिल एक्सेप्ट किया। ही राइट द वर्ड एक्सेप्टेड एंड पुट हिज सिग्नेचर ऑन दैट बिल। सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस। तो दैट डेट इज कॉल्ड डेट ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस। नाउ अगर आपका बिल जो है इट इज आफ्टर डेट बिल रहेगा, इफ दिस बिल इज आफ्टर डेट बिल देन काउंटिंग स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस तारीख। तो इधर डेट ऑफ बिल लिखने का 3rd August 2017 एंड देन डू द सेम प्रोसेस, फाइंड द ड्यू डेट। वही अगर आपका बिल आफ्टर साइड रहेगा, इफ योर बिल इज आफ्टर साइड देन यू हैव टू राइट दिस डेट ओवर हियर 5th August 2017. From this date you have to count the term and find the due date. समझा? So that is called after side bill. Counting starts from date of acceptance. Counting can be in the form of month, it can be in the form of days. The technique is same, but only your starting point is different. We have to start here from this date. In case of after date bill, start from the date of bill. And in case of after side bill, start from this date. Now the bill of exchange, in that it is clearly mentioned whether this bill is after date bill or after side bill. You will see in the tomorrow's lecture. I will tell you. In the next lecture you will see the format of bill of exchange. In that you will come to know how to identify whether given bill is after date bill or after side bill. So in the next lecture I will teach you the format of bill. Now just remember this fact. Okay. Now I will tell you one more technique of remembering how many days are in the month of January, February, etc. You know that idea, this one, but still I will give you, I will show you that technique for those students who don't know that idea. How to find out which month consists how many days. So just draw 3 V's. 1, 2, 3. 3 V निकालो. Start from here. January, then February, then March, April, May, June, July, then August, उधर ही लिखो, August, वापस इधर आ जाओ, September, October, November and December, the calendar ends. So all these names at the top, these the months have total number of days 31, remember. and at the bottom all these rest of these 4 days they have 30 days except February. So all the months at the bottom have 30 days except February. February आपको मालूम है either 28 or 29 देता है. In leap year there are 29 days and in ordinary year there are total 28 days in February. Leap year कैसे पहचानेगा? How to find out leap year? Leap year comes after every 4 years, you know. So any year when they will give you like 2018 suppose दिया आपको, you have to find out whether it is really leap year or not. Just divide it by 4. 4 से divide करो. If it is completely divisible by 4 then it is leap year, otherwise not. 4 5s are 20. Take 1 from over. Again 4 0 0. Then take 8. 4 4s are 16. तो 2 left. इधर 0 अगर आएगा तो लीप ईयर है, 0 नहीं आएगा तो दैट इज ऑर्डिनरी ईयर. तो 2018 इज नॉट अ लीप ईयर, सो इट विल हैव 28 डेज. और जब लीप ईयर रहेगा तो 29 डेज. सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू रिमेंबर एंड फाइंड आउट, आइडेंटिफाई करेक्टली कि हाउ मेनी डेज आर देयर इन अ which month. So month consists days like this, you can find out. Okay, tomorrow we will see the format of bill of exchange which comes in the examination for 5 marks. Okay, so there are 2 types of bill: after date bill, after side bill. In our example, Mahesh draws a bill on Rohit, suppose worth rupees 10,000 for 90 days. Rohit agrees to pay after 90 days. So on this date Mahesh draws the bill and this bill is accepted by Rohit on 5th of August. So this is known as date of bill, and this is known as date of acceptance. If this bill is after date bill then we will start counting from this date. So our answer ऐसा आएगा जो अभी हमने किया था. 3rd August 2007 should be taken at a starting point and then start counting. So 90 days ऐड किया, 30 days of grace ऐड किया 96, उसमें से लेस किया days of August 31, उसमें से लेस किया days of September 30 and then उसमें से लेस किया days of October 31. So what left? 4. 4th of November is the legal due date. Okay, अगर ये बिल आफ्टर साइड बिल होता है, दिस बिल वुड हैव बीन आफ्टर साइड बिल, देन वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस डेट, काउंटिंग स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 5th of August. तो थोड़ा आंसर चेंज होगा. इंस्टेड ऑफ 3rd August you should write here date of acceptance 5th August. If the bill is after side bill, you start from date of acceptance. 5th August 2017. Baki everything will be same. Just check. 90 days, the term of bill we have to add. 3 extra days of grace we have to add. And see how the answer changes. तीनों का टोटल लोग 5 + 3 8 98 हो गया. From this we will deduct the total number of days of August, that is 31. 67 left. From this we will deduct the total number of days of September, 30. Remains 37. And now we will deduct the total number of days of October, 30. So your answer will be 7th November. So this is how your answer of due date changes slightly. So due date is 7th November 2017. So this is how, when bill is after date bill, we have to start from date of bill, and when bill is after side bill, we have to start from the date of acceptance. Baki everything is same, method is same. This term can be in the form of days or it can be in the form of month, but you have to start from date of acceptance if the bill is after sight, and then you have to start from date of bill when the bill is after date bill. Okay, you understand? Nice.